When it comes to owning oneself, the philosophies of Carl Jung and Friedrich Nietzsche offer profound perspectives. Jung, as a founder of analytical psychology, emphasized the importance of individuation and integration of one's unconscious elements to achieve self-realization. Nietzsche, known for his existentialist views, encouraged individuals to embrace their own unique will to power and to create their own values based on their own experiences and perspectives. Staying calm, as advised by Lao Tzu, involves understanding the concept of wu-wei, non-action, and the importance of harmonizing with the natural flow of life. Lao Tzu's teachings from the Tao Te Ching emphasize the value of inner peace, flexibility, and a deep connection with nature to achieve tranquility. Life lessons from Dostoevsky, as reflected in his literary works, often delve into the complexities of human nature, morality, and the existential struggles of the individual. Dostoevsky's characters reflect a profound understanding of the human condition, moral dilemmas, and the pursuit of meaning amidst suffering. To unlock inner freedom, Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher, offers insights through his teachings on focusing on what is within our control, cultivating resilience in the face of adversity, and aligning our values with virtuous living. His emphasis on the role of personal agency and virtuous action speaks to the pursuit of inner freedom through ethical living and mental resilience. In conclusion, the philosophies of Jung, Nietzsche, Lao Tzu, Dostoevsky, and Epictetus encompass a wide range of perspectives that offer valuable insights into owning oneself, finding tranquility, understanding human nature, and striving for inner freedom. These diverse philosophies provide a rich tapestry of wisdom for anyone seeking to navigate the complexities of life and the human experience.
Why, God, why?